Hi, I'm Lynn Beechin, and thanks for your interest in my website, Lynn on Lectric, and I hope to interest you in purchasing my videos. I'm a master electrician with over 35 years of experience in electrical trade. I'm licensed, and I've dealt with both residential, commercial, and industrial systems, both installation and maintenance of these systems. And I've seen a lot of good systems, a lot of unsafe systems, and a lot of obsolete systems. By no means have I seen over half of it. But I will tell you that in my electrical equipment and wiring systems video, we're going to talk about it all the way from the electrical service coming into your house, overhead or underground. We're going to talk about metering equipment, why it's better to have your metering equipment and your overcurrent protection breaker away from the house. We're going to talk about fuse panels. We're going to talk about circuit breaker panels, arc fault circuit interrupters, ground fault circuit interrupters. We're going to talk about tamper resistant outlets. We're going to talk about surge suppressors, lightning arresters, the various circuits in the house for heating, ventilating, air conditioning, hot water heaters, appliances, and unsafe wiring practices, very good wiring practices. So if you're going in, buying a new home, an existing home, an older home, or you're adding on to your present home, you'll know what to ask for. It'll guide you through hiring an electrical contractor, the licensing, the surety bonding they should have, how the permitting is done, the inspections, and it's a good video that will expose you to many aspects of the electrical system. So the second video, Lynn on Electric Energy Efficiency, is going to cover photovoltaic systems, alternative energy such as wind also. We'll talk about geothermal central air. We'll talk about multi-fuel furnaces and energy efficient lighting and appliances, and how to negotiate on the generating portion of your electric bill to get the best rate possible. Possibly you want to lock in on a fixed rate, or you want to have a variable rate. Also, there'll be a guide with the electrical system video that will guide you through a checklist so you know what to look for if you're going through a house. This is by no means an inspection, but it is necessary so you gain knowledge, so you know when to hire a electrician to inspect a home, inspect the rest of it. There's a lot of housing going on that's being flipped, and things may not be done right. So you'll get a electrician's eye view on what to watch for. We'll take a quick walk outside, and you'll take a look at some alternative energy, photovoltaic, and then we'll round it up. In my energy efficiency video, we'll talk about photovoltaic systems and the required equipment to go along with it. And we'll talk about wind turbines. As you can see here, I'll zoom in there. This is a standalone system with battery backup. We'll talk about that also. So a lot of knowledge, and these systems I have put in, so I'm very knowledgeable about them. So it's not just a teaching video, but it has been done. All right, before we go, check out the news page of my website. It's going to be updated quite often. Talk about different tips, techniques, energy saving ideas. Very helpful, and gain some knowledge. Basically, this is not a how-to video. It's basically for you to gain knowledge of your systems, so you know what to ask for, so you know what to walk away from, and you know what to expect when you hire a licensed contractor electrician to do the work for you. In some cases you can do the work yourself, but please have it inspected and sleep well at night and safeguard your family. Thank you very much.